Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today, I will solve your doubts on the question that is how to have Gemini create a Google Doc. So one thing I'm going to tell you that Gemini cannot directly create a Google document for you at this time. However, it can be a powerful assistant with Google Docs to help you write and improve your content. Here's how you can leverage Gemini with Google Docs. Install the Gemini for Docs add-on. In order to do that, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC. Go to the search bar and type in Google Workspace Market. Hit enter and navigate to workspace.google.com. Now you will see this page opening up. Go to the search app section on this page and type in Gemini for Docs. Now you will see the first result that says AI Assistant for Gemini, Google Sheets and Docs. Click on this and you'll be promoted to this page. Click on the install button here on this page. This will open up this choose an account page. Select an account, click on continue, scroll down and click on allow. When you click on allow, this add-on will be added to your extensions. Now click on done button and navigate to docs. Click on the extension button at the top and you will see AI Assistant for Gemini in Sheets, Docs and Forms. Simply hover your mouse over this and click on open. When you click on open, this will open up this AI Assistant for Gemini in Sheets and Docs at the right hand side of your screen. Now you'll have to click on this three-lined icon at the top to skip this page and click on home. When you click on home, as you can see, I have this enter the prompt here button at the right side of my screen. So you can use Gemini on Docs to write with Gemini, rewrite text and use for grammar and style suggestion. So that's the simple way to have Gemini create a Google Doc, but the clear answer is Gemini cannot directly create a Google Doc for you. So that's how you do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.